I will explain to you how to create the material cost. Okay, so how to create the material cost. So first of all, I can just go for wall. I can choose the wall here. In the wall, I can go to find out the basics wall. First of all, I can just go for the basic wall. So after that, I can choose the top constant and go to edit. In the edit, duplicate I can go for external wall, external 200 mm and go to edit. Here I can use the bricks commands, brick command. So this is my material. So here I can go to use my identity data. Here I can make the cost around 100 USD or any. Okay. So I can just apply. So here I can do 100 and apply. Right. Now I can draw the wall here, right? So this is my wall I draw. So I can go to find out my schedule. I can create for the new schedule. Can go to find out the wall. Okay. So here I can go to find out the family and type, area, function. Okay. And length, width, right? So I can you can just go for cost also. Okay. You just apply. This is the schedule. This is don't forget this is called schedule. Here you can able to see this schedule is not showing the cost. Okay, this is empty. Okay, right now I can go back to my wall. I can go to apply the edit. Here you can find out the cost. So I can just look for cost, apply right 200. Now you can able to see the schedule. So this is all one family. So when I apply this one, you can able to see the cost. That is the total cost. Okay. Total cost mean the wall cost. Okay, not including the material cost. Right. Now I can go back to my schedule to create the new material code. So material takeoff. Here I can use the wall. First of all, I have to select the wall because wall is the my main parameter. So here I can go to find out material area, first family and type, and material area, material cost, material volume, and you can find out function if you want. You can go for the functions, and if you want to show the length, if you want to show the width, anything. Right now, first of all, I create the schedule. Now I create the takeoff. So the material takeoff, you can able to see this one. It's showing function length, this one, and the material cost. Okay, everything showing here. So material cost, okay, right. It's showing 0. All right. Okay. Now I can go back to my field region. So here I can go to find out the function. I can put it total cost, command. It should be currency, formula, cost into volume divide by 1. Apply. So here you can able to see the total cost is showing here. Right. Now I can go back to my wall. I can go to find out my this one. So here I can go to choose the wall to edit. So now I can just remove this host. Can go to apply the edit. So I can go to find out the edit here. Okay. I'm going to find out the edit. Go to bricks. Go to identify data. So here I can go to find out 150 and apply. Okay. Now I applied the material cost. Now you can able to see this one in your material takeoff. Now it's available in the total cost. Okay. So here you can able to see how I created this one. See now this wall is showing 9,300 length and width, material area, material cost, volume and everything. See for example, I can go back to here to mention the 3D. Now I can go to find out one window. Okay, just apply the window somewhere. Now what happened when you go to find out the takeoff? So you can able to see the changes. Okay, so now it's showing 7.27 like that. Okay, so again I can go to find out one more window somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here. For example, now you can go to find out, so you can able to see the differences. Okay, so after that you can go to find out the grouping and sorting. You can find out um, the family and type as a heading, and here you can find out the grand total. Just remove. Now you can able to see the total exterior wall, and you can go find the group and sorting again, and go to find out total count and totals. Here you can able to find out here. So grand total is showing 4. Okay, you can go to find out here. Go to formatting, material cost, material volume. You can go for calculation total. Here also no, so no. Here you can find a calculate no total, and here also you can calculate total and apply. See now you can able to see this the total calculation also. So now you can go to find out group and sorting to remove these items. See you can able to see the total amount of the takeoff. So this is a way we can able to create our material takeoff. Thank you so much.